Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make your Instagram account private. So people don't see your Instagram pictures and videos until you ask them to until they follow you and you request it. Okay, so yeah, something like that. Okay, so anyways, so you want to go to Instagram. I already have it pulled up. So you go to Instagram and you can click this or that, which takes you to your profile page. Click this, and I am going to click edit profile. Edit profile, and I'm going to choose from edit profile. I'm going to choose privacy and security, and I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, and on account privacy, the first one you're gonna click private account. Okay, see, when your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. So that's how you do and then if you want to turn it off, then unclick the checkbox. Okay, change privacy. Okay, so that is how you do that. So like, comment, subscribe. Bye.